If you own an Arlo Ultra or Arlo Pro 3 camera, you know how important it is to keep it powered without interruption. The outdoor magnetic charging cable is designed specifically to do just that, providing a steady power source so your camera stays active around the clock, whether indoors or outside. What sets this cable apart is its weather-resistant magnetic connector. Rain, snow, or heat won't interfere with your camera's charging. This means you get consistent power without having to worry about environmental factors causing downtime or damage to your equipment. The cable stretches 25 feet, giving you plenty of flexibility to place your camera exactly where you need it. Plus, it comes with a power adapter that snaps securely into place, making setup quick and hassle-free. This setup ensures your camera never runs out of juice when you need it most. Many users appreciate the peace of mind that comes with a direct power connection. Unlike batteries that can drain unexpectedly or solar panels that depend on sunlight, this magnetic charging cable offers reliable, continuous energy. It's especially popular among those using Arlo floodlight cameras, where consistent power translates to brighter, more effective lighting. One satisfied customer shared their experience, highlighting how the cable eliminates worries about batteries dying or solar power falling short overnight. The direct electric connection not only keeps the camera charged but also enhances performance, making the floodlight noticeably brighter and more dependable. If you're tired of swapping batteries or dealing with inconsistent solar charging, this cable is worth a look. It's tailored to fit your Arlo Ultra and Pro 3 cameras perfectly, ensuring a seamless and secure connection every time. In short, the outdoor magnetic charging cable offers a practical, weatherproof solution to keep your Arlo cameras powered continuously. It's a simple upgrade that guarantees your security setup stays reliable day and night. If that's you, consider adding this cable to your setup. Try it when you're ready to enjoy uninterrupted power and enhanced camera performance without the hassle of regular battery changes.